Hello everyone, I'm Oz and in this video I'm going to talk to you about crypto. But let's do the fun part first.
So here goes the disclaimer. The content in this video is for information purpose only. It's not a financial, legal or tax advice. This video is solely my opinions and I'm not a licensed financial or investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies is highly volatile and risky and I can't guarantee any particular outcome. Now let's get started with the video.
So now that the fun part is done, let's talk about crypto. So why crypto? Why do we or why should we invest in crypto? Well, the first thing is to make money. It's a lot more better than waiting and investing in any other thing, anything else. You can't make as much money that you can in crypto. But of course, you need to understand how it works. Of course, it's volatile. But all those things are understood if you know what you're doing, not just like, oh, everybody's buying this, I'm going to buy that, everybody's buying that, I'm going to buy that. No, it doesn't work like that. You need to know your shit. The second reason why crypto is because it's fighting against the old system, the system that has been there ripping us off, the banks, the cards, the remittance being sent and billions of fees being ripped off from people. It is against that system. It is against a centralized system. It is a decentralized system. And because of that, it is a form of activism to be part of it and support the projects where some projects are for the transfer of money. Of course, that's one of the main things, but there are a lot of things that are being done, which is my third point on crypto, is giving more power through decentralization to you, to all of us, instead of the companies, the third parties or the main companies which have been cashing on all of us. For example, there's like a coin where you get paid for making the video and putting up the video, and then people get paid for viewing your video and liking your video and commenting your video, and when they comment, you also make money from that as well. So it's a system similar to YouTube. And then there is a system where they have the same thing for audio as well, where the artists are being paid and the people who are listening to the artists are being paid and appreciated, instead of some XYZ third party who doesn't do anything. So this is some of the reasons why crypto is something which is very, very important to be looked into. It is something very digital. It is something very new, and it is the future. And no matter what people say, when computers came and when internet came, everybody was like, oh my god, this is not going to work out. But look at now, in 20 years, 25 years time, it's like it's part of our life. If you don't have water, I can make do. If you don't have Wi-Fi, how am I supposed to live? So that's the same thing with crypto. You need to stop restraining it, and of course there are going to be a lot of fight between us and them, which is because we are taking their money, right? They control all the media, right? They control everything. They're going to tell you, oh, no, don't do this. But they are also investing into it. They are making sure that their banks keep running. They are making sure all of their other businesses keep running, because once all of this new technology comes in and everything becomes decentralized, they won't be able to make a lot of money and control a lot of stuff. And that's our aim, So yeah, again, why? To make a lot of money. We also have equal opportunity to make a lot of money, unlike other places. 2, it is a form of activism, and 3, again, is a form of activism in the financial and in everyday life as well. So if you enjoyed this video, do smash the like, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.
If you want to support me in making these videos, hop onto my Patreon, Oz112, link in the description below, to buy me a drink, get me a meal, or book a Zoom call with me. Thank you.